Hi guys, welcome to the video. I'm the Great Gardener. I just want to talk about payment methods. I've got a couple of comments on some videos just from people who are thinking about getting into gardening, and they're just asking, like, how I take payment and things like that, and what kind of things do I offer. If you're watching this and you're already a gardener, let me know what you guys do. Generally I'd say over 50% are cash jobs. I don't insist on cash either. Obviously everything gets recorded and banked and, for tax purposes and all that kind of thing. So it doesn't really make a difference to me, but when I go to a job and when I'm quoting, I say I accept cash, PayPal and bank transfer. So PayPal, if you're doing that, there's friends and family or business payments. The business payment, you get fees deducted, so I do tell people, look, if you do want to use PayPal, that's absolutely fine, but just can you do it through friends and family, obviously, so I don't get the fees. I actually had one last week who said they were going to do it through friends and family, and they must have forgot or something, and it was only a 20 quid job, and I think I got charged like 88 pence, so I didn't say anything. Doesn't matter. But that's obviously something to consider. So cash, PayPal and bank transfer. I don't do checks. I've never used a check in my life or received one, I don't think. So one, I'm not really comfortable with doing them, although I think it's just a case of handing them in. But obviously checks can bounce, I think, as well, and it's just the other method's a quicker way. And I think you have to go into the bank to cash a check. Post offices might do them now, I'm not sure, but anyway, I don't do checks. So yeah, what do you guys do? Is there anything else? Am I missing anything? Probably they're the main three. Yeah, let us know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.